So cruising through Harborcreek, Pennsylvania, along Bartlett Road, I come across the Harborcreek dinosaur family. So we're going to say this is a woolly mammoth. So this would be the Triceratops. Just the fun things you find along the way. Let me touch one, see what it's made of. And then we got a T-Rex with his little baby. I touch it, feels like a stucco over a mesh maybe for the forming. These are pretty cool. Like I said, I always love little things like this. Stop and see them. You see there's just three things here. The mammoth, the Triceratops, and the T-Rex family. I like how they have them holding the American flag. Alright, hope you like this little quick stop in Harborcreek, Pennsylvania. Alright, till next time, like, share, subscribe. Don't cost nothing. Hit that button. Pappy out. Rawr.